Good morning.
Can we have a quick chat with you?
Oh, we can chat here. Hello. How you doing?
Why here?
Why
Is
here?
it cannabis I can smell?
No.
Yes, it is. You've got cannabis in your house, have you?
No, I don't.
I can smell cannabis.
Can I help you? Are you acting on your oath today?
Sorry?
You swore an oath of office as a constable? Are you a constable?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
So you're acting under your oath of office today?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. How can I help?
What do you mean by that exactly?
I mean by, are you acting...
Well, you called us about complaining about your neighbours. I've come around to speak to you
Okay.
about it.
Right.
But there's a stench of cannabis coming from your house, so, and you don't want to let me in, obviously. So, how are we going to sort out the problem with your neighbour?
Well, that's been sort of calmed down.
Well, it hasn't, because I've got a complaint from her as well, so I've got to speak to both of you.
Okay, she breached my peace.
She what?
She breached my peace, effing and blinded.
Right, okay.
Round the back.
Okay. What about the stench of cannabis in your house? Because that's an issue. That's a complaint. Okay.
Is that
I can smell it now.
Is that
If I want to, I can come in and search your house now because I can smell it.
Not
when you
without
open
my
the door.
consent, I'm afraid.
You don't need my. I don't need your fucking consent.
Excuse
Section
me?
17 of PACE. I can come in your house and search it right now, looking for drugs.
Constable, I don't wish to hear language like that. You are
Okay.
being recorded. Please stop.
Yeah. Let's have a look in your house.
Please
then.
stop.
Let's go inside.
Constable, stop. Assault.
Let's go inside.
You're forcing your way. I do not
I can
consent.
smell drugs in your house. I have a power to enter and search because I can smell that now. Okay.
No.
I don't need your consent to come in. I'd like.
You're being
this-
recorded. This is my private property.
Yes. You understand?
You're acting under your oath of office. Is this a criminal or civil matter?
This is a criminal matter now. I can smell
You've
cannabis in your address.
you've made it criminal
I'm entering to search.
your hand is on me. You've made it criminal.
No, you're trying to block my way, okay? If you don't get out of my
This
way,
is my
I'll have
private
to arrest
hou-
you for obstructing
This is
me.
my
Do you
private
understand?
house.
Do you understand?
No, I do not understand.
Right, okay then.
Get
When-
off me. Assault. Please get
It's
out of
not
my
an
house.
assault.
Get out of my house.
No.
Please
Smell
get
drugs
out.
coming from your house, I'm going to search.
No, you're not without a warrant. Please.
I don't need a warrant.
Get
You
out
open
of
the
my
door
house.
to me, sir. I can smell
Get
drugs
out of
coming
my
from your
house.
house. and I can search.
I'm resisting entry peacefully.
No, you're not.
Please get out of my
Trying to
house.
stop me from coming in the house.
You've got your hand
Move
on
out
me.
of the way. Move
Please,
out of the way.
Constable. You're
Please
acting
move out of the
outside of your jurisdiction.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Are you a lawyer or something? Do you understand what you're talking about?
I understand law.
Right, okay.
I
so
know law.
Do you understand what power I'm using to come in the house right now?
It's an act,
2-0.
and I do not consent to it.
Yeah, can a unit join you, please? Please, I need to enter a property and search it for drugs.
Without a
so
warrant.
got me at the door, but I can smell some cannabis coming from inside. If the captain's available, I could do with their assistance, please. Look, if you try and obstruct me, okay, I'll have to lock you up, okay? But you've opened the door.
I've not committed
I
a
can
crime.
now come into the
Constable,
address.
no, you can't. I
Yes,
do not
I can.
consent.
You don't have to consent now.
You do not consent.
I don't need a warrant because you've opened the door to me, okay? You've opened the door, I can smell drugs coming from the
You're in my
inside
house,
the
and I
address.
do not want you in my house. You're trespassing.
doesn't
Please
matter.
remove.
I'm not trespassing.
You're trespassing now. Please
I know what I'm
remove
talking
yourself.
about here. Do you understand? Yeah?
No,
Okay?
I don't.
I come round to speak to you about a neighbour problem,
Constable.
and you've been obstructive, okay?
Constable,
so I can't
please
talk to you
get
about
out of my
that, but I
house.
can now smell drugs
Get
coming from
out
the
of my
address,
house. I'm
which is a
disabled.
criminal offence.
I'll let you. No,
Do
it's not.
understand?
It's a civil.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's
Yes,
civil.
it is.
No, it's
It's a
not.
crime to have cannabis in your possession. I can smell it inside
No,
your
it's
address. So now I've got a power to come in and search it. Do you understand that?
No, I do not understand.
Okay,
Please
well, you
get
need to
out
get
of
out
my
of the way.
house. You're trespassing.
Okay, chap.
Please get out of my house, Constable.
Sorry, I didn't overhear the last what they want to know.
You're outside of your jurisdiction. You do not have my consent to
No,
be in
not
my house.
currently, no.
This is private property. You are trespassing. 20111. Impersonating a constable right
currently.
now.
I'm not impersonating a constable.
Are you acting under your
You're
oath of
talking
office?
absolute rubbish.
Are you acting under your oath of office that you swore? You
don't know
are.
what you're talking about, mate.
Excuse me.
Go
You
ahead.
wouldn't be in my house because I haven't broken the law.
You have. You've got cannabis in the address. I can smell it.
I've not broken the law. It may be against the statute,
You
but
have
I
broken
do
the
not
law.
consent to that. I'm disabled. It's my medication.
It's not prescribed by the NHS, is it then?
I don't consent
It's not
to that.
lawful to own it or have it in your possession.
May not be
You
legal,
understand?
but it's not.
legal.
You're saying it's unlawful?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
You must be completely crazy. Do you not understand? It's against
How
the law
does
to have
that?
drugs in your possession.
How
that
does
are
that?
illegal.
How does that cause any harm or
It's
anything?
not causing
to
any harm. But
It's not. Okay, so there's no injured party then.
Well, no, but it could
There's
hurt-
no
could
injured
hurt.
party, so there's
It
no.
doesn't have to be. does
So
it?
there's no crime if there's no injured party, is there?
No, that's not true, mate. You don't know
I
what you're
think it
talking
is.
about.
Well,
You really don't know what you're talking about.
okay. I reserve my right to silence from this point in. Please remove yourself from my house.
No. Okay.
Get out of my house.
No. I can smell drugs coming from the address. I want to now search the address to see what drugs are in the address so I can seize them and then deal with you for the offences that you may have committed.
I haven't committed any. I haven't broken
Okay.
the law.
We'll be back another time then to get a warrant so you can be happy then, yeah?
I haven't broken the law.
You have. If you got drugs in the address, because I can smell cannabis, okay, and you've half coughed to me now.
You may smell some.
Okay.
You may think you smell something. Please remove yourself from my house, Constable.
Bear with me a second.
No, please get out my house. I don't consent to this.
You don't have to consent.
Yes, I do. You're in my property. Quite clearly, you don't have invitation to be here. Go.
No, but I can smell drugs coming from the address, which means I've got a power now to enter and search.
No, you
it,
don't.
okay?
No, you
Well, I'm
don't.
gonna
Not
search
without
it
consent.
people. I don't have to have your consent.
I think you'll find you do. You're
No, I
acting.
don't.
Is it a statute or an act?
You don't know what you're talking about.
Is it
mate.
common
You
law?
don't
Are you
understand
acting under
conversation
common
about
law? Are you acting under common law, or you're trying to enforce an act of Parliament here? You're trying to enforce an act, aren't you? A statute, maritime law.
Maritime law? Are we at sea now, are we?
What's a statute mile? Do you know what a statute mile is?
Jesus.
It's a nautical measurement, Constable.
Yeah, get out of the way then.
You get out my way. You're in my house,
You're
please,
talking absolute rubbish.
Mr. R. Giles.
It's not my name.
Giles. You're
That's not how you pronounce it
trying very well to cover it here, aren't you?
I'm not covering anything at all.
Can I have your name then, please? Can you identify yourself?
Says it right there, doesn't it?
Well, I
But you
can't
just
see
can't
it.
read.
I speak English.
No, I'm not, apparently, because you can't pronounce my name.
Could you identify yourself then, please? You're an unidentified man in my house. I'm a disabled man. I have the right to defend myself if necessary.
Yeah,
You understand that?
yeah.
You do. Thank you. Please remove yourself from my house. You're trespassing.
I'm not. I'm going to be searching the address.
You're trespassing.
I'm not trespassing. You don't understand what you're talking about. I can smell cannabis in
I
the
do.
address.
I think
You've opened
I
the
do.
door to me. Now that I know you're in here and there's a possible criminal offence in place.
No, it's
I
not
can
a
enter
criminal
the
offence.
search.
No, you can't.
It is, because it's a criminal offence to
Do
be in
not
possession of
consent. I
cannabis.
do not consent.
don't have
Remove
to
yourself
consent.
from my
It's
property.
been done against your consent. You don't have to have your consent to search
We're
it.
policed by consent. Theresa May has been on telly saying such a thing of recent, has she not, Constable? No?
20111.
You don't understand, do you?
You
You're
don't.
acting outside of your jurisdiction.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, can I have a point to point, please, with PC Roads? What's his issue number, please?
Get out my house. Leave my property. Leave my property.
Thank you.
Get out my house, please.
No, because I'm searching it at the moment.
Please remove yourself from my property.
No.
Constable, this is not called for. You don't have my. I did not invite you in.
I know you did.
You invited yourself in, did you not? Did you,
I'm
or
using a
did you?
power to
No,
enter
did
your
you,
house.
or did
Do
you
you
not
understand?
invite yourself into my house? Yes? Yes or no? Constable, did you invite yourself into my house? You did you not?
I'm entering to search it for drugs. That is why I'm here. Do you understand
You
that?
don't have a warrant to
I
do
don't
such
need
a
a warrant
thing.
at the
Yes, you
moment.
do.
You've opened
Go.
the door to me.
Go.
I can smell drugs
Go.
coming from the address. I can come in
Please
now and
leave.
search it.
No, you
okay?
can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you
You
can't. I
know
don't
what you're talking
consent.
about, right?
I don't consent, and this is being recorded.
Yeah, okay.
Please leave. Get out my house.
I can't get this. Bear with us a sec.
Thank you.
I'm not.
Please,
Bear with us.
please get your foot out my house.